Let us now see Coxsackie viral diseases. Let's walk into body as if we are the virus. And that's how we will never forget Coxsackie virus. Coxsackie virus, it's the skin, muscle, and heart invader. The name is derived from a town called Coxsackie in New York, where it was first isolated. Now let us go into the case of action. We swallow contaminated water which contains virus. Virus hence enters the oropharynx and this is the mouth. This is this. Okay, we have consumed the virus. Now it has gone into our oropharynx and then it has entered the intestine, where it will multiply in the lymphoid tissues like tonsil and in the Peyer's patches. Then the virus will enter blood, viremia, and spread to target organs. Now, depending on which tissue it likes, which tissue it invades, the disease changes. Types of Coxsackie viral diseases. First of all, types of Coxsackie virus: Coxsackie A and Coxsackie B. A, that is above skin, affects skin and the mucosa, and B, that is below the skin, which affects muscle and organs like heart, pleura, pancreas. Coxsackie A diseases, let us see: hand, foot, mouth disease. The clinical presentation is hath eye toned, Hathavati, itchy rash, Payavati, painful sores, and Tondavati, blisters. A rash with blisters, sores that usually forms on child's hands, feet, and mouth. So place of action: skin of hands and feet, oral mucosa. What happens? Vesicles, fluid-filled regions, and painful oral ulcers caused mainly by Coxsackie A16. Child refuses to eat because of the oral pain. Herp angina. Herp means creeping, and angina is pain. So here we can see at the posterior pharynx, at the soft palate and the uvula, there are vesicles, ulcerative lesions are there. Fever, the patient presents with fever, sore throat, and we have to think it like herp angina is in the back of throat lesions. These are the back of throat lesions. Acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis, red eye and subconjunctival hemorrhage is present, and it is an epidemic spread. Coxsackie B diseases are myocarditis, pleurorhinia, pancreatitis, and aseptic meningitis. This is to be remembered that Coxsackie B diseases is aseptic viral meningitis, and it is similar to other enteroviruses, mild increase in protein, normal glucose in CSF. Pancreatitis, it can damage pancreas. What Coxsackie B? It is linked with type 1 diabetes trigger. Okay. Pleurorhinia, severe chest pain due to intercostal muscle inflammation, devil's grip pain. Bornholm is an island where the disease was first seen. Pleurorhinia, rhinia is pain. It's a devil's grip pain, and that about myocarditis is important. Coxsackie B virus is infecting the cardiac muscle. Virus directly damages the myocytes, immune-mediated injuries there. As a result, arthritis, arrhythmia, dilated cardiomyopathy, and sudden death can occur. And most common viral cause of myocarditis is Coxsackie B. Now let us see how the pathogenesis is occurring. Entry, replication in the gut, viremia, and organ tropism. Why different diseases? Because different serotypes have different tissue affinity. Now we must have asked the question here: why this particular virus is sometimes affecting this, sometimes affecting lungs, sometimes pancreas, sometimes meninges? It is because of the strains of the serotypes of these virus. They have differential tropism. They have different tissue affinity. And diagnosis can be done using RT-PCR, gold standard, and virus isolation, which is rarely used. Treatment is not very specific, but supportive treatment is given. Prevention is by hygiene, not eating dirty, contaminated food, not eating outside food. Fecal-oral spread is there. Coxsackie A for above skin and mouth, that is hand, foot, mouth disease, herpes disease, and herp angina. Coxsackie B for the body organs, myocarditis, pleurorhinia, pancreatitis, aseptic meningitis. Okay. Most common viral myocarditis is due to Coxsackie B. HFMD caused due to Coxsackie A16. Posterior oral region, it is herp angina, and devil's chest mouth is pleurorhinia. Now talking about what the book says about this, we will see. Let's go into intestine, then bloodstream, then organs, and let's see the community spread. Now we have finished with polio. Now let's see other enteroviral infections, Coxsackie and Ecocoxsackie first. To be focused, Coxsackie viruses A and B, A of 24 types, B of 6 types, and among this, A16 causes herp angina, and B causes several diseases in the heart, in the lungs, in the pancreas, and in the meninges. Okay. Herp angina, vesicles in posterior pharynx, HFMD, aseptic, group B, pleurorhinia, Bornholm disease. Okay. On this island in the sea, and this is a lung in the sea of pleural fluid. We have to remember it like that. Myocarditis, pericarditis in the neonates, orchitis, juvenile diabetes association, not proven, and hence it causes pancreatitis. Okay. Then Ecovirus, what is ECO stands for? Enteric cytopathic human orphan virus. Why called as orphan? Because it previously did not have a parental disease which it was causing, but now the diseases caused by the ecoviruses are there. Most common cause of aseptic meningitis is the ecovirus. Cause we have to see. Cause we have to see, fever, rash will be there, respiratory illness, gastroenteritis. Flow of diseases, let us see, entry, same for all enterococcus, swallow contaminated water, virus reaches intestine, multiply silently. This is why all are enteroviruses, as well as we must remember that these enteroviruses, they are the genus from the Picornaviridae family, and they are very small RNA single-stranded ecosahedral, 12 vertices, 20 facets, no envelope, very small viruses. Now let us go again to spread of the disease. Virus goes into the bloodstream, then chooses target organs. Different viruses choose different organs. Coxsackie A, skin and throat virus. Imagine a child with fever. Herp angina, vesicles on fauces, posterior pharyngeal wall. They rupture and there are ulcers. Symptoms are fever, vomiting, abdominal pain. Classic oral vesicles are due to Coxsackie A. HFMD, vesicles on hand, feet, oral mucosa, cause enterovirus 71, it can cause meningitis. Okay, Coxsackie B, muscle and the heart. Now virus goes deeper, pleurorhinia, Bornholm disease, sharp stabbing chest pain, devil's chest pain, devil's grip pain, fever, pain worsens with breathing, muscle inflammation of chest wall, myocarditis, especially in newborns, high mortality is there. Virus attacks heart muscles. Other associations are orchitis and possible juvenile diabetes. Why different manifestations? Because virus has tropism, organ preference. Coxsackie A has skin and the mucosa preference. Coxsackie B has muscles and heart. And again, their serotypes, they have different preferences. Lab diagnosis: virus isolation from feces, lesions, inoculate into suckling mice, tissue culture. B, the Coxsackie B grows well, A grows poorly. Serology not useful, too many types are there. Epidemiology: spread by fecal route. Infants are most affected. Epidemics every 2 to 5 years. No vaccine because there are too many serotypes of the disease. And now let us see ecovirus, enteric cytopathic human orphan. Initially no known disease was found, but now we have disease because there's plenty of diseases. So orphan virus. Okay. Now let's enter the body again, but this time as a quieter, more systemic wanderer virus, ecovirus. More systemic. You ingest the virus, reaches intestine and throat, multiplies silently, enters the blood. Now, unlike Coxsackie, which has personality, ecovirus is more diffuse and CNS loving. Okay. Ecovirus most common cause of aseptic meningitis. How do I remember this now? Now, eco is produced in the meninges. So ecovirus, most common cause of aseptic meningitis. Aseptic meningitis. Most important. Viral meningitis appearance is clear, opening pressure is normal. WBCs are less than 300, lymphocytic predominance. protein less than 200 milligram. Okay, normal is 15 to 45, but in viral meningitis the protein is slightly increased, mild increase in protein and normal glucose. Place of action meninges, what happens, headaches, neck stiffness, fever, the basic things of meningitis, and all this we know, all same pattern as all viral meningitis. Neonatal sepsis like illness. Sepsis is their whole body. Systemic disease features fever, poor feeding, rash, hepatomegaly. Looks like bacterial sepsis, but culture is negative and it is very dangerous in newborns. Neonatal sepsis like illness. Sepsis is the infection in the entire body. And hepatomegaly, why hepatomegaly occurs? Why? To produce, I don't know, I should mention that in comments. Okay, then exanthem, rash, illness in the skin, maculopapular rashes are there, fever is there, non-specific, it is non-specific. Respiratory illness, mild URTI causes fever and cough. Myocarditis, less common than Coxsackie B. Pathogens is not infiltrating for tissue, viremia. CNS, skin and liver. CNS to be remembered. Skin, exanthema and liver is neonatal sepsis, like illness. Same as other enteroviruses, but ecovirus prefers meninges. Diagnosis, RT-PCR, treatment, supportive memory frame. Eco, that is eco in the brain and hence meningitis. Coxsackie and eco, difference क्या है? So skin vesicles are in the Coxsackie, in HFMD in the heart. Coxsackie B causes myocarditis and CNS is affected most commonly by ecovirus, and neonatal diseases are most common in are due to ecovirus. Most common cause of viral meningitis is neonatal sepsis and noise. Okay, so ecovirus silent to famous. It was first of all silent, that is there was no disease caused. Now it is very famous, like meningitis, viral meningitis it causes. Initially found in stool, no disease called orphan, but later many diseases discovered. Most common cause of this, clinical picture, respiratory diseases, gastroenteritis. Okay, sometimes these it causes. Lab diagnosis, grows well in tissue culture samples, CSF, stool, throat swab. New enteroviruses are these, from which enterovirus 70, it causes acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. This okay, HFMD, CNS diagnosis, mini polio like disease, mini polio like virus. Is your child in vesicles in mouth? Think Coxsackie A. Chest pain, Coxsackie B. Meningitis, ecovirus. All these viruses live in intestine, spread fecal-orally, and can reach CNS. Okay, all these enteroviruses live in intestine, spread fecal-orally, and can reach CNS. That's why they are grouped as enteroviruses. Such a nice classification. Why is Coxsackie B associated with myocarditis but A is not? Because of organ tropism. What is the most common cause of this? Differential herpangina versus HFMD. Herpangina and HFMD. Both are caused by Coxsackie A. The difference lies in the locations. Then herpangina caused by Coxsackie A 16 type. Then there are sores, blisters, and lesions in the skin of hand, foot, and mouth, like mucosa, skin and the mucosa. In herpangina, there are oral ulcers in the soft palate and the uvula. And what are other differences? Wait, Coxsackie A16 causes HFMD and it does not cause herpangina. Okay, I made a mistake. Sorry. Serodiagnosis not useful in Coxsackie infection because there are so many serotypes. Name complication of EV71. It can cause severe HFMD, CNS disease, paralysis, and it's like mini polio like virus. Okay. Now let me see what the book says about those other ecoviral diseases. Herpangina, also called as vesicular pharyngitis. What is apophysis? I will mention in comments. HFMD occurs as sporadic cases and as outbreaks. Neurodynia, also called as epidemic myalgia. There is sharp piercing pain in abdomen also. Post-viral fatigue syndrome, Coxsackie B, virus association. Transplacental neonatal transmission demonstrated with Coxsackie. Hepatitis, meningoencephalitis, adrenocortical involvement.